Good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Harivansh Rai. I am studying in 5th B class. Today I am going to tell you today's date and date. As you know, our Earth is rotating around its axis and Earth 18 rotation is happening in this year, 2025. Today date is Saturday and today date is 18 January 2025. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. A mesmerizing morning to one and all present over here. I am Anvita Chandra from grade 5th B. Standing before you to tell today's thought for the day. It is a very famous quote by Harivansh Rai Bachchan. The thought is success is not a destination, it's a journey, a continuous process of learning and growing. I repeat, success is not a destination, it's a journey, a continuous process of learning and growing. Thank you and have a nice day.
Excellent morning to one and all present over here. I am Shraddha Olympiad from 5th C. I am Shraddha Olympiad from 5th C. And I am Yashasvi Ganesh from 5th A. I am Shubhra from 5th C. Srinidhi, do you know who was Harivansh Rai Bachchan? Yes, Daddy, he was a famous Hindi poet known for his inspirational work like Madhushala. He contributed greatly to the Hindi literature and was the father of actor Shri Amitabh Bachchan. Shubhra, why don't we celebrate that anniversary of Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan? His important contribution to Hindi literature and poetry. He was literary genius whose work continued to inspire generations with the theme of life, hopes, and human emotions. What honor did Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan receive for his contribution to literature? He awarded Padma Bhushan in 1976. What themes did Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan often explore in his poetry? He often wrote about philosophy, love, and human spirit. Do you know the pen name of Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan? Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan's pen name is Bachchan, means childlike in Hindi, symbolizing simplicity and innocence. What lesson can we learn from Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan life? We learn the importance of perseverance, creativity, and the power of words to inspire change. We at Shraddha Olympiad School always emphasize on that. To embrace life with positivity and courage. Keep striving despite challenge, cultivating a love for literature and creativity, the power of words to inspire change. Let us honor the memory of Harivansh Rai Bachchan by reading more, writing creativity and spreading positivity. His life teaches us that words have power to transform life. Thank you. Have a great day.